What's up, Beaners? So, we got most of the back situated, for the most part. I got it tied up with a chain, just so I don't overextend the bag since I already went ahead and bolted them on. I went ahead and pulled off the hood so we can start taking all this shit off. So I'm gonna start by taking the fenders off on both sides. Well, what I gotta do first, don't let me get ahead of myself again. I think I'm gonna lift the truck, drain all the fluids, get engine oil, coolant, transmission fluid out of it. And then once that's good, then we're ready to rock on pretty much tearing the whole fending off. So we'll take the fenders off, we'll take the grill off, headlights. I'm probably gonna take out the core support just because it'll be easier to stab the 6.0 in here. For now, I think I'm gonna, once we get all the fluids drained, we'll tear all this apart. I still have to put the heads on that one. I got dual valve springs and all that jazz for this one. It's all over that table. I need to clean up the heads, take off the stock springs, valve seals, put the new dual springs on it. I still got to put the oil pump on this, do the timing chain. I have a brand new improved racing oil barbell I'm gonna stab in here. I got all the gaskets I need to put this together. Basically, I got everything I need to put this together. I just need to actually do it. But I think we'll prep this first, get all this done, take all the front end, all the fluids out, knock out the airbags, or maybe I'll pull the 454 out with the 4L80, pull it out. Once everything's bare, then I can get in there and, get balls deep in it. And then once that's done, we'll put that together, prep it, stab it in with the 6L90, and go from there. I'm jumping around a lot, but I feel once we get all this out, it'll be a lot easier to put shit back. So, let's get to it. Alright guys, I didn't get shit all done, but I got the hood off, dropped all the oil out of the engine, dropped the transmission oil pan because last time I pulled this out, it ended up all over the shop floor. I didn't do a much better job here, but it's not as much. That's pretty much it. We dropped that. Next, we'll drop the coolant. And bring it back down, before we bring it down, I'll start loosening the exhaust. I'll get the motor mounts while I'm down here, loosen the transmission mount, take the drive shaft out. Once we bring it back down, we're ready to pull it out. That's it for now, guys. Thanks for hanging out.